Here we have PocketRxTx running on an Android 6 smartphone, no cables, running over Wi-Fi, talking to this fella, which is a Raspberry Pi running Jarecmini, cabled out through a USB port, through audio connections and USB connection, connected into the back of the X108g Chinese rig. Changing frequency on the phone. Look, it's 14142 at the moment. 149, and it's 149 here as well. As you can hear, the audio is coming through. PTT transmit, and we're on transmit, as you can see. I can't really see the audio level there. This is DD5LP. So, also for the Raspberry Pi, Bluetooth, keyboard and touchpad. So, all in all, working nicely. Just need to shorten some of these cables now and try and get it working a little bit better then. This is my SOTA setup, so 20 watts from the X108g from Xiegu, but the problem is that display on the front. Any sunlight, you can't read it. This one, on the other hand, you can read in any level of sunlight. Okay, so that's about it. You can see the S meter there showing the same, and yeah, can transmit through it, receive through it. Can also use, of course, the microphone on the front of the rig if I wanted to. That's about it. That's 2 minutes 30 of video about my Raspberry Pi driving a remote station using the Chinese Xiegu X108g.